My research is on prosthetic limbs. I look at ways we can use the latest technology to give amputees more control over their new arms or hands. The prosthetic limbs used today are generally robotic and don't allow users to feel what they're holding. I want people to be able to pick up an orange or a cup without crushing or dropping it. Up to 75% of people end up abandoning their prosthetic devices because they're not happy with the way they perform. We can do better. The prosthetics we're developing use electrodes to stimulate key nerves in the arm. These nerves send electrical signals to the brain to give the users a sense of feeling. This technology is known as sensory feedback. Other research teams have already run trials using sensory feedback devices. But because the electrodes used were placed directly on the nerves, fitting them involves invasive surgery. I'm determined we can give people next-generation prosthetics they're truly happy with. I want these devices to use sensory feedback and to be fitted non-invasively, where electrodes are placed on the surface of the skin, not inside the body. This sort of research is expensive, and I could not have done it without funding. The University Research Studentship Award and alumni funding has helped me a lot with this. I began my journey at the University of Bath as an undergraduate in 2014, then stayed on for my PhD and never left. The support I've received throughout this time has been truly impressive. For example, towards the end of my PhD, my supervisor Ben Metcalf backed my application for additional funding, and we were successful. This funding has made it possible for me to carry out feasibility study on developing next-generation prosthetic devices. My hope is to push my technology forward until it's a viable product that can be produced commercially. I want this technology to make a real difference to patients adapting to life with an artificial limb.